Oh shit. Look at this shit. On fire, boy. Look at that. It exploded a couple seconds ago. The truck literally exploded a couple seconds ago. Oh my god.
Lady window over there, man.
Look at that. The fucking front of the truck is melted. Oh my.
That's that natural gas.
Holy shit, that shit exploded.
That shit rocky. We ain't gonna have no light,
Oh
man.
my
The
god.
light gonna go, watch. Look.
Oh my
Look at
god.
that, look at that, look at that.
Damn, how much stuff is in there?
That shit, man, I got 3 tanks. Well, I don't know how much they got. I think they got 3 tanks. Look at it.
Oh shit. This is like a damn movie. It really exploded, like. Oh shit, the windows are vibrating. That's how powerful those fucking.
That's it.
That shit's done. Oh man.
That shit rock, man.
That shit. Holy shit. I wish I would have recorded that.
La vieja, look at the casa de ella and shit. Look, la vieja
Oh
casa de
shit, she
ella.
exploded in her house.
Yeah.
Then she was probably right there looking too.
He's still coming
Holy
out.
shit. How the hell that thing exploded?
That's gas, man. That's a valve.
No, I mean like what happened before? Like what the hell? They were just there.
This is a valve, right? It has a cutoff valve, but once it gets past that point, man.
That thing is on fire.
You know,
man.
it got a certain point. It got a valve where it shuts off.
Give your phone too.
But you gotta
Give me your phone.
you gotta
Yo, that thing is still on fire. Open the windows a little bit so you can hear it. Hear that? So you can hear that shit. Sounds like a jet engine. Oh shit.
It ain't gonna blow no more. You see how that shit boom?
Yeah.
Whatever's on the side and shit, I think the door hit it. Something over there and shit. Look at that shit.
Dang, that shit just stopped, yo. It's still on fire, but the pressure from those, what is it? Natural gas, man. That thing.
CNG.
CNG. God
gas.
damn, that thing. Look at that thing. That shit's torched, man. It's a garbage truck. You can't even see the front of it. Oh my God.